Today, we're tackling a serious and crucial topic: how to survive an atomic explosion. While the likelihood of such an event is low, understanding how to protect yourself in the event of a nuclear explosion could save your life. We'll guide you through what to do before, during, and after an atomic explosion to increase your chances of survival. First, let's understand the threat. An atomic explosion releases an immense amount of energy in the form of a blast, intense heat, and dangerous radiation. The effects can be catastrophic, but knowing what to expect and how to respond can make a significant difference in your survival. Preparation is key. If you live in an area that might be at risk, consider creating an emergency kit. This should include essentials like water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight, batteries, and any necessary medications. It's also important to have a plan in place. Know where to go and what to do if you receive a warning of an impending attack. If you're outside when a bomb explodes, your first priority is to seek immediate shelter. Look for a building made of concrete or brick, and if possible, move to the basement or the center of the building, away from windows and exterior walls. The goal is to put as much dense material between you and the blast as possible. If there's no shelter nearby, lie flat on the ground and cover your head. The blast wave can cause serious injuries, so protect yourself as best as you can. Once you're in a safe location, stay there. Radiation levels are extremely high immediately after a blast, but they decrease significantly within the first 24 hours. If you're in a shelter, stay put for at least 24 to 48 hours, unless authorities instruct otherwise. During this time, avoid consuming any food or water that may have been exposed to fallout. It's crucial to wait for the radiation levels to drop before venturing outside. Communication is critical during and after a nuclear event. Listen to emergency broadcasts on a battery-powered radio or through official channels on your phone. Authorities will provide information on when it's safe to leave your shelter and where you can go for help. In a situation like this, staying informed can be a matter of life and death. Long-term survival depends on minimizing your exposure to radiation. If you need to go outside, wear protective clothing, including a mask or cloth to cover your mouth and nose. Avoid touching your face. And when you return indoors, remove your clothes and wash your skin thoroughly to remove any radioactive particles. Decontaminate any water or food before consumption, and avoid areas with high radiation levels. This step is crucial for reducing the risk of radiation sickness, which can have severe and lasting effects. Finally, remember that mental health is just as important as physical safety. Surviving an atomic explosion and its aftermath can be incredibly traumatic. Stay connected with others, even if it's just through communication devices, and seek support from emergency services or mental health professionals when they become available. Taking care of your mental well-being will help you cope with the challenges you may face in the aftermath. In conclusion, while the thought of surviving an atomic explosion is terrifying, being prepared and knowing what to do can significantly increase your chances of survival. Make a plan, stay informed, and take action quickly if the worst happens. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.